Everybody gotta sing and dance, sing and dance. Everybody gotta find some romance. It's a lovely living day in the sunshine. Yes! Have you ever seen the rain? Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water, water coming on me, Chris. Yes, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I'll get it up, I'll get it up, looking at the rainbow. I'll get it up, I'll get it up. Come on. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder what's coming on the Chris. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Water coming on me, Chris. Yes. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Water coming on me, Chris. Everybody gotta sing and dance, sing and dance. Everybody gotta find some romance. It's a lovely living day in the sunshine. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Water coming on me, Chris. Looking at the rainbow. I'll get it up, I'll get it up. Come on.
This dance is choreographed by Francien Sittrop, 32 count, 4 wall. It is beginner/intermediate level line dance. Section 1, start with your right foot. Right foot forward mambo, back mambo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Side together, chassé right. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight is on right foot. Section 2, rock forward, recover, side rock, recover, sailor quarter left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Lock step forward. 5 and 6. Step pivot quarter turn to your right with a cross. 7 and 8. Weight is on left. Section 3. Half rumba box. 1 and 2. Hitch ball cross. 3 and 4. Toe touches. 5 and 6. Sailor quarter right. 7 and 8. Weight is on right foot. Last section. Left foot lock step forward. 1 and 2. Rock forward, recover. 3, 4. 3 half turn to your right, 5, 6, 7, step, 8. These are the basic steps. In this dance, we have 8 counts tag at the end of wall 2 facing 6 o'clock, at the end of wall 6 facing 9 o'clock. The tag is stomp your right foot hold, 1 hold 2, left foot sailor, right foot sailor, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, left foot shuffle forward, 7 and 8. So the tag is 8 counts at the end of wall 2, at the end of wall 6, 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We also have 1 restart. On wall 4, we will dance 16 counts and restart the dance. Restart will be facing 3 o'clock. Now I'm going to turn my back, do a complete walkthrough, section by section with counts. Section 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you very much for watching.